Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a choice board and how to hyperlink things so that students can click on it and it will take them to something you want them to choose. Excuse me. So the first thing, I am basing this off of if you are doing a maybe third grade multiplication choice board or something of that nature. So I have a BrainPOP video right here and I would like to link this video into that spot. So I searched BrainPOP and I downloaded a picture. So I kind of just clicked on it and hit save image and then it downloaded it right here. Now I'm going to move that image right into my square right here. So next I'm going to click back on this link at the top and copy and paste it by hitting Control C at the same time. Now you will right click and hit right here where it says link. And since I want to click on this image first, let me click on the image. So click on the image and then hit link. And now when students click on that picture, it's going to take them to a link. Maybe the next thing I want to do is an ABC math game. And I don't want to use a picture. I just want them to be able to click on the words. So I would do the same thing up here. I would copy and paste this ABC game. I would highlight this text, right click, select link. And if you can see the text it's going to say here is ABC a math game, I'm going to paste Control V, that link right there. And now that is an active link that will take students to where I want it to be. Maybe I want students to watch a video on YouTube. I can do the same thing here. Click on here, Control C. I don't necessarily recommend having students watch in third grade a video on YouTube, but it's an idea. I'm going to highlight the text, right click, no, just kidding. Highlight the text again, click, link. It says right here what I want them to do. I'm going to insert that. Now, one thing I really like is called a hyperdoc, and I searched math hyperdocs right here. And this is a hyperdoc, which means this is all interactive for kids. They can click on it. Oops, and that one, of course, is not working, but this is kind of an example. So maybe what it could look like, or maybe I want to insert this into my choice board and have students pick some of this stuff. Another thing is you could go to quizzes. And log in. Oops, log in with Google. Now I could search here for a quiz, so multiplication. And I can look for one that's specific for third grade. So I might go over here. What's happening? So I looked for ones that are specific to third grade, but this kind of started popping up and messed me up a little bit. So I'm going to look for one specific to elementary and third grade right here. So say this is one that I want to assign, or I could do play live. I could share this link right here, and I might go look for an image for quizzes. So if this is the one I want, I'm going to save. I'm going to highlight it. Save the image. Insert this in here. Click on it, and then I can make this a link for an active quiz. The kids can do it on their own, and now that's going to link them to a multiplication quiz. Yours choice board does obviously not have to be this big, but now when students click on this, it's going to take them right to the video. When students click on this quiz, it's going to take them here. And one thing I would do is always test that your links work before you share it with students. Maybe you want to take it to a Flipgrid video. You can pretty much put anything in here and link it to somewhere else for students to get to. So if you see all those links at the top work, if you have any questions about how to make this, feel free. And then I believe you should be able to share this document on Seesaw so that students can access it and they can all use it. But one thing I would do is before you share it, make it so that students can view only and don't let them edit it.